LB. We take and make a lot of upper or lower ball joints for parts, our cars, and for four-wheelers, golf carts and so forth. Tie rod ends, spike stabilizer bars, and so forth. My job is every day is different. Every day is different. I mean, I might be working on one line, I might be working over on this line, I might be changing a cylinder, I might not be changing a cylinder, I might be doing something else. I might have to touch a robot up. I mean, there's always something new. And this job, even though I've been here 10 years, and it's an everyday working on these lines, every day there's something new you're gonna learn.
I enjoy the aspect of working in manufacturing, honestly. Like, just watching things be produced here. Like, started as basically nothing, and out the door we have a finished product. It's just so cool to watch that. I mean, the people, that's a plus too. I mean, we're kind of just like a big family here, and I mean, being here for 7 years, it's like we know each other and we get along and we help each other out and stuff like that. So I also really enjoy that.
I got a few people that's been there from day one since I walked through the door, and it becomes no longer a team. It become more of a family. Everybody knows each other so well. It's kind of hard not to become a family we're in. And we strive to, everybody, no matter who you are, to come in. We've got our open door to help everybody.
I love the job, and I need to be here to help everyone. So just the fact of being so helpful to everyone really keeps me going. Like, I like that I can make a difference.
If you want a long-term job that is stable, that you can do for a very long time, Link-Ball is the place to be. You're taking loading parts, inspecting parts. It's not a heavy, stressful job, and I would highly recommend it for anybody. And DHK always takes that next step to try to make that person fit. My name is Brian Cooper.
My name is Patricia Roberts.
And I am TMA proud.
And I am TMA proud.